Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy MOG meme coin. Now, in order to buy the MOG meme coin, simply open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link is in the description of the video. Once there, scroll through till you find the Ethereum contract address. Now, all you need to do is simply copy its base contract address, as this can be also bought on the base Ethereum network. With the contract address copied, minimize and open your MetaMask, as that is the Web3 wallet we're going to be using for this tutorial. So open up your MetaMask. Once your MetaMask has opened up, make sure you're on the base network. Usually you'd be dropped at the Ethereum main network by default. So click the network toggle at the top of the screen and select base. Now with the base network, make sure you have some base Ethereum. If you do not, click on the buy ETH option and simply purchase the Ethereum, that's the base Ethereum, using your Visa card, your MasterCard, or you could purchase this Ethereum with your bank transfer, with a bank transfer or a wire transfer. All right, so simply select Ethereum in base, that's base Ethereum, enter the amount in your local currency you wish to spend, and then simply select your payment option. We have Google Pay, debit card, bank transfer, or Kipu. So just select your option and simply click on get quotes and purchase the amount of Ethereum, base Ethereum you require. All right, guys. So once you've gotten your Ethereum and your MetaMask wallet, simply minimize and open up your browser and simply search for aerodome.finance. So once you search for aerodome.finance, use the connect option to simply connect your wallet to the platform. So once you click on select wallet, you're met with a list of wallets you can connect to. So I'm going to be going with MetaMask. So click on just once, and then it's going to be showing the option to connect. So simply connect your wallet. Now with your wallet connected, head back to your aerodome.finance and click on sign in. All right, so once you've clicked on the sign in option, your MetaMask would be opened, and then all you need to do is simply sign, which gives access to the Aerodome platform to connect to your wallet fully. So once it's done, you'd find that your wallet address is shown at the top of the screen and your wallet has been connected. All right, so once the site is fully loaded in, where we have Ethereum, click on Ethereum, that's the drop down. Simply paste the contract address of the token we had just copied earlier, which is the MOG coin. Click on MOG. And now, once you've entered the amount of base Ethereum you wish to convert into the MOG coin, simply scroll through and you find the option to swap your base Ethereum for MOG. Remember, we're going to be using the base Ethereum in this transaction to cover our gas fees and to also aid in swapping to the MOG coin. So all you need to do is just simply click on swap ETH for MOG. Make sure your wallet is connected, as it is in my wallet here at the top of the screen, and simply head over to MetaMask and just approve of the transaction here. So once you've approved of the transaction, it's gonna show as processing or transaction completed. And if you head back to your MetaMask, in order to view the token, to make sure it's on your wallet, click on import tokens, click on custom token, and paste the contract address for this token. So all you need to do is paste the contract address from coinmarketcap.com. And once you've pasted it, click on next, and then you'll find the token symbol and decimal. Click on next again, and it's going to be added to your wallet by clicking on import after, and you'd find the MOG coin on your wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.